Up first this evening, the latest RGR Gleaner Group Don Anderson poll has found that the majority of Jamaicans are in agreement with the selection of Mount Salem in St. James and Denham Town in West Kingston as zones of special operations.
The poll has a margin of error of plus or minus 3% and was conducted between February 22 and 26. TVJ's Vashon Brown has our story.
The Prime Minister declared Mount Salem in St. James as the first zone of special operations in September last year. Residents were happy.
I feel safe. I really feel safe. I can come out of my house and need something, no matter how much o'clock at night, people them run up and down in the street. Late at night I need something, we play Ludi, domino, everything. When they gone, we can't go do that.
Well, them when I work and I still at work. Because when they are no gunshot, no fire. And see, nobody not dead. Everything peaceful when there. So I can't wrong a much good thing.
Denham Town in West Kingston was later declared the second zone of special operations. In this latest poll, 3 out of every 4 persons, or 75%, said they agreed with the selection of Denham Town and Mount Salem as zones of special operations. Hardly any negative views about the selection of the two communities. Only 16% did not agree with the selection. Earlier this month, Parliament again approved another extension of the zones of special operations in both areas. Again, more than 3 out of every 4 persons, or 77%, agreed with the recent extension of ZOSO. 15% did not.
Once you have a level at the top, which is as high as 75% throughout the before, you can expect the rest of the respondents, especially if you're going to look at demographics, to be very consistent. We found that they were very supportive of the extension. They believe that, in fact, it should have been introduced in a number of other areas, and they were very, very positively disposed to ZOSO.
In fact, when those interviewed answered that very question of whether ZOSO should be extended to other areas, 4 out of every 5, or 85%, said yes. Only 9% said no. So did the respondents say exactly where zones of special operations should be declared?
Yes, they did cover pretty, in fact, it's almost island-wide, I mean, to be honest. They gave us a very wide range of areas. And in fact, one of the questions was whether or not it should have been introduced island-wide. And there's, again, very strong support for that. So if you look at that, you could say virtually across the country, they felt that the ZOSO would be a very good thing to have implemented across the island.
The majority of Jamaicans also believed that ZOSO was effective in crime fighting. 3 in every 4, or 77%, believed so. Another 15% did not. 1,070 people across the island were interviewed for the poll, a nationally representative sample of persons 18 years and older. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.